Hey y'all, welcome back to another workout. Today we are going to be combining two workouts together. We're going to do a low impact workout that involves our abs and our lower body. So we're working on a lot of different muscle groups here. Go ahead and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And please leave me feedback. I look at all of that and I thank y'all so much for being here. All right, go ahead, get some water, make sure that you get a warm up in, and meet me right back here for the workout. This move is a combo move, so you're going to do a sit-up, and then as you come back down, you're going to go into a glute bridge. Sit up, and then bridge, and you'll just keep that going. For this move, you are going to be in a glute bridge here, and you're just going to tuck your knee in while drawing in that core. For this move, you're going to grab a weight, you're going to drop that weight in a squat, and then stand back up, pick up the weight, drop into a squat, and then stand up, and you'll keep that move going. You can do this move with or without a dumbbell, but you're going to hinge at the hip for that deadlift, and then back up, hinge, and then back up. If you're having a tough time with balance during this move, don't be afraid to stop, reset, and then try again, or even do this move without the weight. We want to make sure that we don't cause any injury and that you're safe. So this is another combo move. You're going to do a leg raise, and then as you come up from the leg raise, you're going to do a sit up and then tap those toes. Leg raise, sit up, and tap those toes. For these 45-degree squats, you're going to start with a squat, then you're going to come to the side and squat, then back to the middle, side squat, middle, side squat, middle, and you'll keep that going. Yes, y'all, you made it to the middle of the workout. Great job. Go ahead and get some water, get a little stretch in, and meet me back here for set 2. All right, y'all, this is the last movement of the workout. I want you to give it your all, put your all into it. Let's push, let's work, let's go.